Hello, hello everybody. It's Tina from Tina's Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with an entry to my 2K challenge giveaway. This is from Sabrina, the Mismatch Crafter. Got it in this bag. Put it in with my stuff I bought, so I wanted to do the video separate. And I finally cleaned off my desk, but I actually can do the video. Oh, this is so cool. So, she said to me 2 weeks ago maybe, that she made me something that I didn't have. And for the life of me, I couldn't remember. And she showed me the other night because she was driving me crazy. It was driving me crazy. I started the year of the Julie netting tags. And I was 1 month shy from doing a whole year. And it was July I missed. So it would have been a July 4th themed tag. So Sabrina made me one for my collection. Ain't it gorgeous, guys? I love it. So I got a 4th of July. That is awesome, Sabrina. It's such a cool... Oh, look at the back. I gotta put her name on it, though. This is beautiful. So now I'll have a whole year. And I plan on doing something with them here in a few weeks. Look at... She colored her. You did good coloring. I love the theme. It says high fly. It's got pearls right here. Some silver stars. It's got a little puppy dog this 4th of July. He's got a bandana on. This is so pretty. I love it, Sabrina. Thank you so much for doing this for me. Look at, she got the ribbons, a flag, red, white, and blue. And the back is awesome. I love this paper. Love it. Thank you so much for doing that for me. And now let's get to her memory dex card. And this thing is awesome. It says, twinkle, twinkle, little bat, I wonder where you're at. And she's got some butterflies here. She's got a playing card and a bat. And then she's got a hat here, which moves. But guys, check this out. It's double-sided. It's so cool. Because she's got the Mad Hatter. I love the Mad Hatter. Anybody... I love Alice in Wonderland, but I love the Mad Hatter. He's my favorite. We're all mad here. Definitely me. And she's got playing cards, a key, and then a key and a clock, and his hat. Look at this. And this is style 10/6. It's the cat. Oh my God, it's so cool how you did those eyes and teeth. And all her information's on the back of the cat's head. I don't want to share it with you. But isn't that cool? That is so cool how she did that. So it's double-sided. And then, boom, and then you put the cat. Look at those cat's eyes. Aren't they freaky? Freak you out a little bit. And then you just slip this in the center. So you see it like that on either side. That is such a cool. So that is Sabrina of the Mismatch Crafter. I will have her channel linked in the description box below. So please go over and talk to her. Yeah, go over and talk to her. Say hi. So we got Sabrina. I almost wrote her other channel down. She changed her channel name. I'm still getting used to it. Okay. Mismatch Crafter. Boom. Out. So cool. So, like that. I'm going to fold it up, pull it over, and boom! Put it in there. Boom. And that is my latest entry 2x2K challenge giveaway. So if you don't know about it, I will also have the details for my giveaway, the challenge giveaway, in the description box as well. And as always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now. Thanks, Sabrina, for entering. Bye, everybody. Have a good day. Awesome tag. I love it, love it, love it.